Hello people, you are welcome to Abisub Diving Channel. Today we are going to review the recreational diving planner. Remember that it's important to be ready to the diving day. Okay, here we can see the chart number 1 that is talking about depth and time. The chart number 2 is talking about surface interval, and the chart number 3 is for repeated dives. Okay, right now in the chart number 1, we are going to see in green on top that we have the different depths in where we are going to dive. And on the left hand side in yellow, you can see the different pressure groups that you will have after the dive. What does mean? That means the amount of nitrogen that you are going to have in your body after the dive. For example, if you have pressure group B, you don't have too much nitrogen in your body. But if you have a pressure group Z, you have a lot of nitrogen in your body. As well, you can see on the right side, in red and in black, they know the compression limits. So that means that it's the longest time that you can be at this depth. As well, you can see that you need to do the safety stop when you are near to the limits. For example, here you can see at 20 meters, the longest time that you can do is 45 minutes. And after this dive, your pressure group will be U. Okay, right now we are going to plan our first dive. Will be at 18 meters by 26 minutes. So if we check on the left hand side, you will see that your pressure group is I. After that, we are going to have one surface interval of 1 hour where we can rest. As well, remember that when we are on surface, we are going to remove nitrogen from our body. So we need to go to the chart number 2 to check the new pressure group. So we have a pressure group I. We are going to be 1 hour on the surface. We are going to find this interval, and if you look down, you will see the new pressure group. In this case, the new pressure group is C. So now we are ready to plan our second dive. If I want to go to 16 meters in my second dive, how long can I be at this depth? Okay, for this we need to go to the chart number 3. So in the back side of the chart, you will see that on top you have pressure groups, and on the left hand side you have the depth. And the only that you need to do is to match the pressure group on top, C, and the depth, 16, and there you will have 2 numbers. One of them is the white square that we are going to talk about this one in another tutorial. We are going to focus only in the blue square, that is 55. That means that for your second dive, the longest time that you can be is 55 minutes. Remember people, plan the dive and dive the plan. If you like this video, please follow us and share.